Hello and welcome back to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2014 Hot Wheels. Today we have the Hiway Hauler 2. Number 2. I remember the Hiway Hauler. Let me see, I might even have one. Yeah, here's the shape of the Hiway Hauler. A little bit different. Actually, a lot of bit different. Alright. Put that right there for now. Let's get this. Well, let's look at the back. Anyway, 2014 from the Hot Wheels Hot Wheels City series. Come on, come in clear. Here we go. 2013 copyright. Nice clean open. Dun, da-da. Looks like it could use another set of wheels. Just saying. It's like they're always trying to save money somewhere, and the Hiway Hauler 1 has 6 wheels. The Hiway Hauler 2 only has 4 wheels. And that's a lot of play for a wheelie. Hiway Hauler 2. All that chrome you see. You can't see inside where the steering is, and that would be an illegal tint right there. But all that blue right there is your metal. All this gray is plastic, and that would be really cool if that back opened. Kids would love to play with that and stuff that with the cool stuff, with their toys. Maybe these little guys right here, we can get a whole bunch packed in there and sneak them over the border maybe. That was a joke. Dry humor, we call that. Plastic on the bottom, so your only metal is this blue right here, this baby blue. Woohoo! Oh, frontwards is cool. Whoa, one's cool. Hold on, let's get these guys out of the way. Nice straight roller. Whoa! I like it. It does all kinds of things. There's that wheelie. Bam! Alright, I'm keeping this guy. I know I have like a few more too. I love the rollovers. It's just like slow motion. Alright, donuts. Ooh, top heavy. Seems to land on its side a lot. Okay, wipeouts are over. Thanks for watching, checking it out. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. And T10 out.